Hey folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you from my roof of my house on Pine Island in Florida that Hurricane Ian smashed through and caused us to have to re-roof. So as you can see, there's damage here and there, and I think I'm going to do this one in sections. We're going to start out with this section because I needed to replace these modules anyways. We're going to remove these solar modules today so that we can do this half of the roof in a day or two. As you can see, the solar is off, the brackets are still in, and we'll pull those out when we're getting ready to redo the roof. I'll just clear this wiring out of the way, and it's all set to go. Turbine Guy, signing off.